I have the keys to this Isuzu D-Max V-Cross, and we're going to do a skip run. I'm going to show you guys what it's like to live with. So first of all, it makes a hell of a lot of noises and sounds like a bank vault opening. Let's press this little button here. Oh, that didn't do it. Oh, it did. There we go. And as you guys can see, something I prepared earlier. We're doing our garden just now and I've got rid of a hell of a lot of stuff. The only thing is with this is this particular V-Cross is carpeted. It's velcroed here though. And zipped. Ooh, I don't know if you can see that. It's zipped in there. Yeah, so you can unzip all this, but still, it would be a bit of a pain in the butt if you want to use it for what it's intended to be used for, which is carting this, whatever this is. I should know what this is because it's mine, but it's been in the garden for that long that I've kind of forgotten what it is. So let's put some stuff in the back. Oh no, yeah, I think the bum's gonna fall out this any moment. Now, I've not thought this through. I've put that right in the middle. Ooh, and it's heavier than sin. Ooh. Okay. Eat. Now, of course, the good thing is with this is you can open the windows and let the stank out. How do these open? Excellent. Okay, baby, so you are probably going to struggle, let's be honest, to get in the back of here. Round, round, round. There we go. Oh, Jesus. Oh, way straight up and in. Look at that. Good girl. You're comfortable. You're comfortable, baby. Yes, you are. Okay, let's unclip this so you've got loads of space. Come on in the seat. The chaos. Good girl. There we go. Are you happy? Is you happy, baby? Are we going to the tip? Yes, we're going to the dump. One thing I've noticed, which is this here, this little seal. So whenever it's rained, opened the door and it soaked me earlier, and I wasn't expecting it, but that releases loads of water onto your trousers. Excellent. We've got a beautiful husky in the back who's chilling out. There's no load through on this, so you know you've got glass separating you. It's essentially a separate back end. So yeah, let's burst up into life and jump to the tip. So foot on the brake. And you get a lovely Isuzu thing on the screen, and it's touchscreen. It's not so bad. It's very basic, but it's there. And there's also buttons as well, so they've not just gone for a full-on touchscreen extravaganza. I wouldn't say it's very extravagant. Some touchscreens are useless, but this one's okay. There's no sat nav that I can see on this one, but okay, we're not going to use that. We're going local. There's a wireless phone charger. Loads of buttons, as I said, loads and loads of buttons, and there's bits to store sunglasses and a thingy-majiggy under here, which is not very deep, but it's there, and a digital display. There's a thingy storage in here like that you get on the Ranger, and more storage in here, and a bit more in here, and some up here, loads of storage. It feels a bit scratchy. It's scratchy up here, but it's cheaper than all of its rivals, although it's less powerful. But hey ho, let's get out on the road. So to the tip we go. Engage drive. This turning circle here, there's usually people parked here and I cannot get out for the life of me, but today we are good and it's turning. Why are you binging? Oh, it's got a warning light on the dash. I don't know why that is. Oh, why are you beeping at me? Oh no. So, off to an excellent start. I don't know what this is, but it's, I'll have to check the manual, but it's come up a few errors, and it's binging bonging at me, so is it going to bing and bong all the way down the road? Oh, it is. It's going to bing and bong all the way down the road. This is, come on wipers, there we go. It's not the most powerful of trucks, to be honest. 161 brake horsepower in this thing, which is obviously a lot less than what you get in the Ranger, but it does an okay job actually at getting you up to speed into the national speed limit. Oh, there's a bit of delay in the kick down. Okay, come on, there we are, and that is almost 60. So yeah, it's not the quickest in the world, but then again, would you expect it to be? And I think I just hit a pigeon. That just happened. I'm so sorry, pigeon. Oh, I feel really bad. But it was at the side of the road and I didn't have time to react, and I'm not going to kill myself trying to swerve to avoid it. But yeah, that happened. Through the corners, I mean, it's no cornering machine really, is it? But, you know, it's not bad. It's rolling a lot. It lumbers from side to side, but that's okay because, again, I have a boot full of stuff. This engine is so grumbly. It's such an agricultural sounding engine, and I get it runs on the devil's fuel and all that, diesel, and the gear shifts are quite lazy actually. I spy a doggo. Oh, you're gonna go, aren't you? Oh, stuck behind a Hyundai i10 doing 12 miles an hour. Oh, you absolute donkey. Never the mind. Alrighty. Yeah, it is loud. It's definitely louder than the Ranger. Indicator, stay on, please. Stop trying to be interesting. Through town, it is bumpy, really unsettled. This car is certainly not as composed as the Ford Ranger. Oh, judder, judder, judder. Beat hump. Oh, that one's not as bad. So off-road course, there aren't that many in Scotland that you would think that we would be like able to just go and tear up fields in the Highlands somewhere. But that's not the case. We can't be doing that because farmers don't like that very much, and we don't have many green lane bits in central Scotland. But I'm living with it on a daily basis as well. I'm driving it to do things that I need to do in life, and I don't need to be off-roading, so on a dirt track it's not going to fall apart. How are you, Freya, babe? Are you well? And guys, we are almost at the garbage dump, so I can't really take you in here because they don't like us filming in here. So we're just back from the dump. Stopped in somewhere just to check the warning light that I've got on the dash. Oh, there we go, a turning circle coming into its own. Look at that, beautiful. And yeah, stupidly I should have known exactly what it is. It's a tyre pressure warning light. Of course it is. But I think in the moment you just panic. Not good. So yeah, I have a low tyre pressure somewhere. I'll go home and I'll check it and see what the deal is. And yeah, take it from there. But guys, I have many more cars coming, many more experiences. I do plan on kind of, you know, lengthening these videos out a bit more and doing a daily life kind of video amidst the, you know, the schedule that is life. But yeah, if you like this, then please show the love for me and for Freya. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye for now.